How does failing the burden of proof change a court case? Imagine walking into a courtroom where someone claims they are innocent or that they are right. Now think about what happens if they can't prove their case. That's what failing the burden of proof is all about. It's like trying to build a house without enough bricks. If you don't have enough evidence, the court simply can't accept your claim. When the party responsible for proving something doesn't meet the required standard, the case usually ends in their favor not being proven. In criminal cases, if the prosecution cannot prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, the defendant is found not guilty. That means the person is presumed innocent until proven guilty, and if the proof isn't enough, that presumption stays intact. In civil cases, if the person bringing the claim, called the plaintiff, doesn't show that their case is more likely true than not, they lose. The defendant then wins the case because the evidence didn't meet the necessary level of certainty. Failing the burden of proof can lead to the case being dismissed or charges being dropped. It also stops the court from making a legal decision based on weak or insufficient evidence. This rule helps protect people from being judged unfairly just because someone made an unproven claim. It also influences how lawyers prepare their cases. They know they must gather enough evidence to meet the standard of proof for their side. In court, the burden of proof decides who must convince the judge or jury and how convincing they need to be. If they don't meet that standard, the court can't accept their claim as true. This system makes sure that only claims backed by enough evidence will succeed. It's like a safeguard that keeps the legal process fair and honest. So, when someone fails to meet their burden of proof, it often means the case ends without a win for them. And that's how the court maintains fairness and justice.